guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday. It's 1:57. I got up like about 3 hours ago, but I have had zero motivation to do anything. I did not go out last night. My hair is fucking oily as hell. I haven't showered. I haven't done anything, you guys. Literally the only reason that I am up is because I am starving, and I have been starving for the past 2 hours, but I've been so unmotivated, so just that I didn't even want to get up to go get something to eat. But I finally got up, so I think I'm gonna go get something to eat real quick, and then I'm just gonna come back home. Usually eating makes me feel a lot better, so if it does make me feel better, then I'll get ready. If it doesn't, then I will shower and literally go back to sleep because I feel like complete trash. Hey guys, so I'm back in my house, my room. I ate. I have a tendency of eating in the car. I get lazy and I don't like getting out of the car. So I ate in my car and I do feel a lot better. I still feel kind of, I don't know, I feel weird. I don't know how to explain it, but I am feeling a lot better, and I do feel like I have potential in me today. So I am going to get ready, do my makeup. I think I'm going to record a makeup tutorial as well. Just got to see, because I'm going to clean my room. It's a mess when I get in these funks. I don't clean my room. I don't make my bed. I get like super, like, I don't want to say depressed because I don't know. I just get in a really bad funk. And I want to say it's depression, but I don't know, because I get out of it. So I don't know if that's considered depression or not, but whatever. To try. I still feel like I'm in the funk. I think it's my room that depresses me, if that makes sense. I don't know. But I'm gonna clean because my room is a freaking mess. And okay, so I finished cleaning my room a long time ago. I put some clothes to wash, and I set up my backdrop for my video. I'm not sure if I actually like this. I tried this pink blush color that I had. It's sitting back there. It's that pink one right there. I tried that one, but there's like some wrinkles in them, and I cannot get them out for the life of me. And when I set it up, it like, I don't know, it weirdly like creases in weird sections. I'm not sure if it's because of the material it's made out of. I'm not really sure. But I got tired of dealing with it, so I took it down. And I do have a, what do you call it? The steamer. Oh, it's right here. I have a steamer, so to make it easier. And the fucking creases would not come out. So I was like, F you, I'm not gonna deal with you. So I put up this one, but I don't like how you can see my vanity light mirrors, because the vanity, it's like a square. So you can see it's just a little square behind my head, and I don't like that. So I think I might go to the black sparkly one that I have, because you can't really see that as much. But I'm not really sure. I have to shower, and then after I shower, I'm going to go ahead and start recording a video. I hope that this video comes out good, because I'm not feeling like my makeup is gonna come out good, and that's always like a bummer, but oh well. we're gonna see. If not, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, and I got out of the shower and I am doing my makeup now. I'm going to be doing one eye first, and then I'm gonna do the other one, because sometimes I don't know, I mess up and it's like just a waste of time. So I wanted to check it out first, see how it comes out, and then, you know, just go from there, basically. So I finally finished filming this look for you guys. I'm super hyped how it came out. It's definitely not what I had planned, but it turned out way better than what I had originally planned. So I'm happy about that. I think I'm gonna go out tonight. I'm not really sure. I think I might go to the movies with my boyfriend. Not, like I said, not really sure yet. I'm gonna take some pictures for Instagram for my look. And yeah, that's all that I have planned. So I changed really quickly and I had to put my hair up. I was gonna curl it, but my boyfriend texted me and said if I wanted to go to a party, or if we wanted to go to the movies. I told him it didn't matter. So we're gonna go to the party and we're gonna eat. Okay, so I'm in the car now. It's super like gloomy outside. It's like this weird color. I don't know what the heck. Oh. And it's about to be 8 o'clock and I didn't bring my charger. I had left my charger at my mom's house, so I brought my car charger into the house. And now I got both of my chargers in the house, and I'm kind of upset about that. But hopefully we don't use a lot of battery, which we all know will happen eventually. Okay, well, I'm about to leave. Oh. I'm about to leave. Oh, honeysuckles. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. So I ended up changing shirt because I was kind of scared my boobies were going to pop out. So I'm going a little more conservative. I brought this one in like a t-shirt shirt, but this one is... Shut up! Leave me alone! Oh, can't ever do what I want. Anyway, so I'm just wearing black pants and my heels. Gerardo was ironing his shirt, and then we're going to get Lewis, I think, and then we're going to be there for like 30 minutes. Okay, well, Luis is the one who's always on my videos getting super wasted. He's literally the only one who's wasted in every single video that I've posted of going out. So, I'm in Gerardo's room. It's so dark in here. So I'm in Gerardo's room. It is like 12:30. And we ended up going nowhere. We just stayed at home and we've just been chilling here. So I just thought I'd update y'all. My eyelash keeps stabbing me in the corner. I look drunk, but I haven't even drank. I'm just tired. And my hair looks like shit now. So we just ate Chipotle. It is the next day. It is Sunday, the 10th, 11th, 12th. We just ate Chipotle. We'll probably go to Ross and TJ Maxx to go look at some cute outfits. I don't know. I need some stuff for my hair because my hair is so fucking damaged and shit, and it's like all crappy. So we're gonna see what we can find. And look, you guys see that? I need to dye my hair again. But since I dyed it like brownish color, it keeps coming back up. But yeah. I'm stuffed. I'm so full. I used to have some in here, but...
The lotion?
Lotion? You want lotion? It smells like girl.
Just a little bit. Don't record me, okay? Because this pimple's red.
Okay. What's on your
A little bit. Oh, what the hell? Why you got the air on? You keep the air on too?
Want some? Smells like guys. Like.
Yeah, that's the one.
Hey guys, so we are topless. Woohoo! Feeling kind of new. Feeling refreshed. We're going to Ross, and then we're going to TJ Maxx. Why would they park in the middle of the street? Makes no sense. But yeah, just chilling, having a good Sunday. Good night. Pretend that didn't happen. To me, it's like, alright, peace out. But I think the clothes, are those socks yours?
No.
No. And some hair products are for me. That's it. Just chilling at Ross. Yeah, Mosh. For the summertime. You gotta become the grill master. Alright. Not your style. These are nice though. I'm not gonna.
One's already half.
The poop plunger.
Oh shit.
Doesn't work. 9 out of 10 recommend. We're in Burlington now.
What's up? Oh shit.
So we're on our way now to a gas station and then to Marshall's. Help me, Mouse. We're stuck. Help me take it off. How much are they?
15.
Not that bad, to be honest.
I used to want these so bad as a kid.
Look, y'all, they're baby sharks. How do I rotate this? Oh. So, I thought I was recording. But, we are in Marshall's. Trying to see qué encontramos. Gerardo's looking at guy sections right now. I look so dusty, y'all. Don't even understand. This, I cannot wait till you guys see my summer, what is it, my summer haul outfit? No, my summer, what is it called? What is that word? Summer lookbook, there we go, my summer lookbook. Should be recording that next weekend. I like this shirt, kind of. I have fat arms though. I should be recording that probably next weekend because the weather hasn't been that great, except for today, but this is kind of cute for work. This is real cute, actually. Maybe. I'll come back. I gotta look. I'm wearing my shorts now. We're gonna eat. I watched The Office. I was taking a nap, and then I got woken up. My babe got me some flowers, which is a spinach, so I gotta be careful. But look how beautiful they are. So pretty. Thanks, babe. Come back. Thank you.
Drink some water.
Can I just drink in the plant's water?
It's not for the plant. It's for me.
That's what my phone does. On my way back. Okay, guys, so I'm home. It's actually pretty late tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and shower in just a couple of minutes, but I wanted to end my video here. My hair is like all coming out and shit. Yeah, it was a really pretty laid back weekend. I didn't do much. I just, you know, enjoyed my little weekend with my boyfriend. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna shower and get ready to go to bed so I can go to work tomorrow. I did want to show you guys my shirt that I got at Ross. It's so cute. I want you guys to see it. It's actually like a little crop top, and it says "Take it sleazy." It's so cute. Look how freaking adorable it is. It's a little crop top, but I bought it in a large. It wasn't a medium, which is usually what I get, but since I do like them to be baggy, I got this one in a large. It's so fucking cute though. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm so excited. So with that being said, oof, I got the hiccups. I'm going to cut off the video here, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, guys.